Vanakkam, Namaskara, Namaste. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn the function DCOUNTA. So D stands for database. So what does this function do? This function examines a list of information that is from a database list and counts in non-blank cells in specified column. It counts values and text items, but blank cells are ignored. That means any values plus text items. There are text, it will also consider. But blank, it will not consider. It will ignore the blanks. Let's understand with an example. I'll remove these values first. Okay. So here we have sales data. So from here, we'll we'll count the number of records. So it will count the number of records, whether it's a value or a text. It will count the number of records. Now let's see what is the syntax. Equals to DCOUNT A, open bracket. So we need to select the database. Here first we were trying to see sales, October sales count for Bangalore. So that is our database. Then field. Because we are looking at October, so the field will be October, comma. Criteria is field is region and the record is Bangalore. So we'll select these two. Yeah, region. From the field region, count the number of records for Bangalore. So this would be our criteria. So count. Remember, it will count even text values, but will ignore the blank. Press enter and you get 3 records. Here, because here one blank is there, so it's got only 3 records. Now let's see November sales count for Chennai. So DCOUNT A, open bracket, database, comma, field is November. We'll look into November, and the criteria is from field region, count for all Chennai. So this will be our criteria. Close. 4. Now if you see here, it shows 4. It counts even the when no data is there. It will count because it will count all the values and text. So it will only ignore the blanks. Yeah. So let's look for Hyderabad. DCOUNT, open bracket. Select the database. And we are looking for December. So I'll select December, comma, the criteria region Hyderabad. Close the bracket. Enter. Look for okay. Database. Field Jan. I'll select Jan. And the criteria is region Mysore. Close it. Close the bracket. Enter. See 3. Here one is blank. Okay, if you can just want to try deleting some data, see, I've deleted data here, so it has become 2. Okay, I'll put some text, it will still count, no data, 3. So it will count only non blanks. See, I hope you understood the formula. Okay, uh, that's all in this video. I'll see you in next video. Until then, it's bye from Saravanan Jaina.